Well, active parenting is a very informative course, especially in today's world where parents sometimes don't even see eye to eye together, living in the same house. Mom says one thing, dad says the other. So active parenting really enables you to realize that communication is key in delivering what you need to your children in order to have a cooperative response from them.
At the time, I was a mother who had lost her husband in the war. So I needed something to help me know what most parents go through. And if I was doing the right thing and handling it the right way, the classes for active parenting teach me skills on how to deal with what things do I need to fight and what things I don't. So the classes were good for that, to teach me techniques on how to parent well.
Shortly after we took the class, one of our daughters started to go into a phase, and as difficult as it was, we had the tools. We were reading from the same page, the same materials. We both sat in on the classes. We went together, and although the phase was difficult, we knew what to do and we knew how to do it, and that was the most important thing. Now, the phase didn't end overnight, but it gave us that united front and that conviction to know we were doing it properly. We were doing it properly.
Sure enough, the kids did something and we were able to handle it 1,000 times better than if we hadn't taken the class.
Because parents nowadays need a lot of support. They have a lot of competition out there with the media, with the social media, with their friends. So we just found that this program, the Active Parenting Program, has all of the ingredients that we need to help these parents be more successful in parenting their children.
Anyone who's even thinking of having a baby or having a child needs to have active parenting classes, because you need to know how to deal with things. A child doesn't come with a book.
We found it to be that we're not the only ones in the same boat as far as parenting. The kids are all about the same, and it was a bonding issue between other parents that we shared.
It gave us a chance to speak so that they can hear us, but yet let us speak so we get our message across, and that included consequences, but always keeping it on an uptone, positive level.
What I hear often is, where was this program when I was raising my first child? And that's wonderful, because that's the reason that I do this program, the Active Parenting Program, so that other parents are able to be provided with support, with techniques and strategies that's going to help them love their child and be successful with them.